Welcome to one of the world's most advanced facilities dedicated to the craft of producing premium pork pâté.
Every morning, fresh, high-quality ingredients arrive under strict temperature controls to ensure the safety of the food. Expert inspectors examine every batch of meat to verify that it meets the rigorous standards for fat content.
Hygiene is the highest priority in this facility, where every surface is scrubbed to prevent any bacterial contamination.
If you enjoy learning about food engineering, hit the subscribe button to see more fascinating factory process videos.
The process begins as the meat is sorted and prepared for the primary grinding phase of the operation.
Precision blades rotate at high speeds to break down the proteins into the perfect base for the pate.
The liver is the key ingredient that provides the creamy texture and rich flavor profile of the product.
Each recipe is carefully balanced with salt, pepper, and aromatics to create the factory's signature savory taste profile.
The emulsification process is critical to achieving the silky mouthfeel that consumers expect from a premium liver pâté.
Controlled heating helps to stabilize the mixture and ensures that the fats are perfectly integrated into the emulsion.
Automated systems can handle thousands of units per hour, ensuring that production keeps up with high market demand.
Volumetric fillers use sensors to ensure every can contains the exact weight specified on the final product label. Creating an airtight seal is essential for the long-term shelf stability and safety of the canned meat product.
The retort process cooks the pâté inside the can, killing all bacteria and ensuring a long shelf life.
Rapid cooling prevents overcooking and ensures the pâté sets with the ideal creamy consistency for the end consumer.
Labels are applied with surgical precision, featuring all nutritional information and the required legal health and safety warnings.
Vision systems monitor the production line to ensure that every finished product looks perfect before leaving the factory. Protective packaging ensures that the product remains undamaged during the long journey from the factory to the supermarket. Modern robotics handle the heavy lifting, allowing the factory to operate with maximum efficiency and minimal human labor.
Thousands of tons of pâté are stored here, ready to be shipped to retail partners across the country.
Laboratory testing is conducted on every batch to ensure that the chemical balance is perfect for food safety. Industrial refrigeration systems run 24 hours a day to maintain the cold chain and preserve ingredient freshness.
Digital monitoring allows operators to keep precise control over the complex thermal processes required for pate production.
Natural starches are sometimes added to provide body and to help the emulsion hold its shape perfectly.
Closed-loop piping systems prevent the product from being exposed to air, keeping it fresh and free from.
For luxury versions of the pâté, expensive ingredients like truffles are added to enhance the final gourmet. Between different product runs, the entire factory undergoes a rigorous cleaning process to ensure no cross-contamination occurs.
Sourcing the finest spices from around the world is key to creating a deep and complex flavor.
Visual inspections complement automated sensors to guarantee that every piece of equipment is ready for food production.
Modern food logistics require careful planning to ensure that ingredients move through the factory in a linear.
Sharp blades are essential for achieving a clean cut and preventing the meat from tearing during grinding.
Dairy fat is sometimes used to further enhance the creaminess and provide a subtle sweetness to the.
Professional tasters evaluate the flavor, texture, and aroma of every batch to ensure the consistency of quality.
Thousands of cans are fed into the system every hour to maintain the factory's massive production output.
Nitrogen flushing is often used to remove oxygen and extend the shelf life of the pâté product.
Once sealed, the pâté is cooked at high temperatures and pressure to achieve commercial sterility for safety.
Removing moisture from the cans prevents rusting, and ensures that the labels will adhere perfectly to metal.
Inkjet printers apply a unique batch code and expiration date to every single can for full traceability.
Changing rolls quickly is a learned skill that keeps the production line moving without any unnecessary delays.
Automated rejection systems ensure that only perfect cans make it to the final packaging stage of production.
Metal detectors are a mandatory safety step to ensure that no foreign particles have entered the food. Export orders are a significant part of the factory's business, sharing this gourmet product with the world. Ergonomic tools prevent worker strain and allow the team to move large volumes of raw meat safely. Maintaining precise temperatures during emulsification is key to preventing the fats from separating out of the.
Adding ice helps to control the heat generated by the grinding friction, preserving the quality of meat.
Advanced sensors provide instant data on the nutritional composition of the raw materials entering the production line.
Gentle mixing ensures that the flavors are evenly distributed without breaking down the desired texture of the.
Regular machine maintenance is the backbone of a successful factory, ensuring that breakdowns never stop the line.
Every can is rinsed with hot water and steam to remove any dust before the pat enters.
Quality control officers test the strength of the can seams to ensure they can withstand high pressure.
Natural extracts provide a consistent and powerful flavor that complements the richness of the pork and liver. Making lids in-house allows the factory to control quality and reduce costs for the overall production process.
Keeping sensors clean is vital for maintaining the accuracy of the automated labeling and rejection systems here.
Treating the water prevents scale buildup in the machinery and ensures the cans remain clean and shiny.
Microscopic analysis confirms that the sterilization process has been successful and the product is shelf-stable for.
Smart stacking patterns prevent the cans from shifting and getting damaged during heavy vibration during truck transport. Inventory management software helps the factory track shipments and plan for the next big production run effectively. Every raw ingredient is logged for traceability, allowing the factory to track a batch back to its. Advanced air handling units ensure that the air inside the processing zones remains sterile and perfectly filtered.
Final filtration guarantees that the pâté is perfectly smooth and free from any unwanted small bone fragments.
Fine-tuning the line speed allows the team to optimize production and handle any minor issues in. The quality of the fat used is essential for the flavor and the stability of the final. High-speed robotics can handle delicate aluminum cans without causing any dents or structural damage to the metal. Maintaining the filling nozzles prevents drips and ensures that every can receives an exact and clean fill. Precise thermal data is recorded for every batch to prove compliance with strict international food safety regulations. For higher-end markets, the factory also produces pâté in glass jars, which requires a different handling. Labeling glass jars requires a different type of adhesive to ensure the label stays put during shelf life.
The pop of a vacuum seal is a sign of safety and quality for the end consumer.
Ongoing training ensures that every employee understands the importance of hygiene and safety in modern food production. Scanning every pallet ensures that the correct products are loaded onto the right trucks for delivery globally.
Chemical testing confirms that the pâté contains no harmful additives and meets all the nutritional claims made.
Cleaning the transport crates prevents any dirt from entering the sterile zones of the food processing factory.
High-quality marketing photos help to sell the product by showcasing its creamy texture and delicious savory appearance.
Proper belt tension is critical for preventing the cans from falling and causing a line stoppage here.
Real-time data allows managers to identify bottlenecks and improve the overall productivity of the pâté manufacturing process.
Keeping the liver at the correct temperature is the most important part of preserving its delicate flavor.
Monitoring moisture levels helps to ensure that the final pâté emulsion has the correct consistency and texture. Thorough cleaning of the production rooms prevents any odors from lingering and ensures a fresh work environment.
Frequent testing ensures that the quality of the pâté remains consistent throughout the entire 16-hour production shift.
Lubrication of the pumps is essential for moving the thick pâté mixture through the factory's piping system.
Maintaining a consistent flow rate is key to ensuring that the filling machines operate with maximum precision.
Cleaning the control panels prevents dust from interfering with the electronics and causing any costly system failures.
Regular calibration of the metal detector ensures that even the smallest foreign particles can be detected easily.
Careful loading ensures that the product reaches the customer in perfect condition and is ready for sale.
Verifying the integrity of the raw material packaging is the first step in ensuring a safe product. Correct emulsification speed is vital for achieving the ultra-smooth texture that this factory is famous for producing.
Cleaning every part of the conveyor system prevents any food debris from building up and causing hygiene.
Monitoring energy usage helps the factory to reduce its environmental impact and improve its overall sustainability goals. Changing the filling height allows the factory to process different sizes of cans for various market needs. Centrifuge testing helps to ensure that the pâté emulsion is stable and will not separate over time.
Clean lenses are essential for the vision system to accurately detect and reject any imperfect finished products.
Automated weight checks ensure that every customer receives the exact amount of pâté promised on the label. Maintaining a steady supply of labels is key to ensuring that the packaging line never stops running.
Perfect label alignment is a sign of a high-quality product and is expected by modern retail consumers.
Keeping the factory exterior clean is a sign of professionalism and pride in the quality of work.
Constant temperature monitoring is the most critical part of maintaining food safety for the raw meat ingredients.
Correct wrap tension ensures that the boxes remain secure on the pallet during the bumpy truck ride.
As the day ends, another successful production cycle concludes, bringing creamy pâté to dinner tables across the bee. Discover the precision and care behind your favorite gourmet spreads by visiting our website for more information.